Hello, this presentation will walk you through the steps on finding and downloading the AverTouch software that goes along with your Aver document camera model M11-8M. Once you get to the website, which you can find the link to that spot down below this presentation, you will scroll down that page till you find the tabs Video Download and Knowledge Base. Please select the Download option. And below that download option, you will notice that you have a download for either Windows or Mac. Please determine which type of computer you have and select the appropriate tab there. Once you have done that, you will see an AverTouch version of download of that software. Whatever the version is and whatever the number is, please select that. That number may be updated and changed from what I have here on this page. Below this presentation, there is a list of additional resources. Besides the website in which you are to download the software, it has an option for you to either watch the video on how to install it on a Windows or how to install it on your Macintosh. So view the appropriate video and follow those installation steps. Once the AverTouch software has been installed on your computer, you will notice the AverTouch icon on either your desktop or down on the dock of your desktop. And please launch that software by just clicking on that application. And when it launches, it will look something like this. Not much is there to see right now because we don't have the camera hooked up, but you'll see where the camera accesses the library, your account, and so forth. So just take a screenshot of this and submit this to the Mobile Mind upload, and we will go to our next video to continue our learning.